Hey guys, welcome back to Crafted by Kids. Today we're going to be making some super fun slime. Today we're going to be making this super cool fun slime. You'll need 1 ball of glue, a bowl, some contact lens solution, baking powder or baking soda, half a teaspoon, a tablespoon, and something to mix it all with. First, you're going to take your glue, mine is purple, and you're just going to pour the whole bottle in, which is 5 ounces. Next, you're going to take your contact lens solution, pop that open, put in a tablespoon. Then you're going to take your baking soda and you're going to put in half of a teaspoon. If you don't have baking soda, then you can also use baking powder, and that works just well. Then you're going to mix this up. Now, if you want your slime to be a bit stretchier, you're gonna put in half a tablespoon of water. And that's just gonna give it a bit more stretch. When you think you've mixed it enough, you can start using your hands to knead your slime. Thanks for watching! Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like and share. Bye!